slam full. What a spring. Our first harvest. Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Wait till you see what we've got going on with this early spring harvest. Let's go ahead and get started. That is a slam full bar. Probably 8 pounds of honey in that, maybe 6. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Good dad jokes. Oh my goodness. That's 3 bars, 3 top bars in this hive, or in this bucket. Oh my gosh. My best harvest ever. So we've been doing this for 7 years. Hands down, the best hive I've ever harvested from. That's 3 bars. Oh my gosh. All right, so we keep coming across way out on the end of the hive box. Whoa, it keeps twisting on me. I don't want a video of me dropping this top bar here. We keep coming across full bar after full bar. The color is starting to change. You can see versus what we were harvesting earlier was a very golden color, and the honey's starting to get darker. So we're seeing the change of the flow. What came in first, the further in towards the center of the hive we get. This was the early season flow. This is the later season flow as they fill each of those bars up, and they're full to the bottom. Classic top bar formation is just like a 3-dimensional curve up. The honey, the egg, everything fills into that ball from the center. And we are deep into full combs at this point. And I bet you we could probably keep harvesting about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 more bars before we get to the brood and the ball where their queen is hanging out, doing all their egg laying over in here. But we'll see. We're just gonna keep moving through this and showing you video of good quality top bar harvest. So this hive is probably, I can go back into the records, but I'd say it's probably 3 years old. So this is the solid harvest year. Last year was year 2. We didn't get much out of it. Maybe 5 bars, left a lot of resources for them to have to get through the winter. Did some feeding right at the tail end of the summer and the fall after that last harvest. And we opened up the season with fondant feeding and a little bit of 1-to-1 syrup, very heavy syrup. And apparently that recipe has results. Here, without the bees all over it, you can really see that dark color on the comb. Honestly, I had no plan of harvesting or making a video of this harvest. It's too early in the season for this kind of results and success. And a lot of the chatter that's going on out there right now around this is gonna be an amazing year, a good flow year. Been doing this for 6 or 7 years now. I've never seen this before. Whatever it was, drought, dry spring, whatever this is, it's working. And I saw a guy who posted, he said in the 1970s, this is exactly what it felt like from his memory. I was 5, 6, 7, 8 years old during that time frame. So I just remember heavy snows. He's saying this is going to be a phenomenal flow this year, and this will be in my memory banks for a long time. I've never seen anything like this. Go through my other videos. You won't see this kind of harvest happening. Dark color. When we harvest this, we're going to pull this comb. I'm going to separate the comb that's gold versus the comb that's amber colored here, smoky. This is going to make its own honey batch because it's so concentrated, unique. I gotta go get another bucket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video with us. We'll be doing sauerkraut in a very near future. You can see here where we've got our cabbage, tropical giant variety, coming up in the garden, and we're going to demonstrate how to make sauerkraut. And with the size of this garden, it's going to be gallons of it. Come back for more.